QFloors does everything I need. QFloors has the accounting I need, it has the inventory I need, it has the invoicing. With Q Reporter, have the customability with all the different reports. With the different divisions of my company, QFloors does work well, whether it's commercial, residential, whatever the invoice is, from the reports I can print and send to customers, the statements, the accounting. I mean, the accounting for me is huge. To have it all in one system and not have to have a second system to do my accounting has been tremendous. QFloors makes my job easier because I'm able to delegate some within my company. My warehouse manager, he is able to go in and print the work orders. He's able to confirm everything. My operations manager is able to assign all the materials to the tickets and everything else to be able to create the work orders for my installation manager. So they work well together. My operations manager is able to receive all materials in QFloors. So then my sales associates are able to look at their ticket and see that the material shows ready. And the fact that they can look at their invoice and see that it shows ready, they don't have to go in the warehouse to find a material. They don't have to call somebody to see if material came in. Like, they know it's ready. The order ready delivered tabs definitely have helped my business a lot because it just streamlines communication within my employees without having to send texts and emails and phone calls and everything else. They can log in the system and they know exactly where their job is in process. The software is pretty self-explanatory. I mean, it's very user-friendly. When we were shopping back in 2006, and we met with a couple other software companies, and they couldn't even do a legitimate demo, and then Chad was able to just walk through a demo real quick, showing us the tabs across the top and how to do an invoice. It was an easy sale. Honestly, I have no regrets. I mean, it's been 16 years, and I haven't looked at software since then.